Hey guys, I will show you today how to insert and customize basic timeline in Microsoft Word. So to insert a timeline in the Microsoft Word, just go to open a Word. You can see here, just open blank document. And now guys, if you go to the insert section, and after that guys, you can see smart art. Just click on that. And from the smart art, there are many options coming. So if you want to insert basic timeline, you can you can go this way. Select this one. Yeah, okay. Now, guys, what as per your whatever suits, you can give your text here. So for me, it's like if I second text 26, 6, and 27. Yeah. And after that, guys, if you want to increase one more the circle you want to add, and also you can add here. So just go to add shape, and you can see automatically that one circle will add. Now for this one, you can give another text. And guys, if you want to change the color also, you can change color. If you see the change color option is coming, so if you see just whatever you want, you can see the alternate circle colors got changed. And if you want to particular circle colors you want to change, just right click that and you can change from here. So for me example, if I want to select for this black, you can select like that. So guys, this way you can insert timeline in your Microsoft Word and customize accordingly. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like subscribe my channel. Thank you.